card. Make sure it's for you.
I don't
Let's
know
score
if
first.
if it's for you, I wouldn't go. I don't know if it's for you.
Okay. Well then, pull the strings. No. Just like you were doing before. Yeah. No, the other side. The other side. The other side. Pull the strings on the other side.
How do you do that?
Just pull the strings.
I'm making
Now
it
the other.
tighter.
No, you're not. Now pull the other side. The other string, Maxwell. Maxwell, stop pulling. Stop. Okay. Come over here.
Come on, you do it.
No. Here. You're gonna do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Here. No. Okay. Now. Pull. Okay. Good.
Hope there's no Christmas monster in
It's
there.
for me.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
To get this.
What is it?
Oh, I really want to
Museum break-in.
I really want to build this now.
Maxwell, are there robbers in there?
I really want to build this now.
How come?
Because it's so cool. I really want to build it.
What do you see, Kika?
Which guy on there are you?
What?
Which guy are you on there in that picture?
Don't hit
This guy.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Which guy am I? Ooh. And which guy is Jay?
He looks a little bit like him. I really want to build this now.
You don't want to open your other presents?
Can I build